Lexical means vocabulary, relating to vocabulary. Your usage of vocabulary has to be refined. Number one, you need to paraphrase what the examiner is saying. You should not repeat what the examiner says in the question. Okay, you have to paraphrase it. And number two, you have to use some idiomatic language, some idioms, phrasal verbs. You have to be also very, very, very careful about collocations. This is a very important issue. And all these will be covered, inshallah, in our course soon. It will start, as we said, next week. Now, in order to achieve your band 7 or above, okay, fine, of course, you need to be careful also about your grammar. So you have to use variety of grammatical structures. Different grammatical structures that we'll see, inshallah, in our course are very, very, very essential. Also, your pronunciation has to be accurate. It doesn't matter whether you have British accent or American accent. That's not the issue at all. Don't say IELTS, so I have to speak British, and if I take TOEFL, I have to speak American. No. British accent is accepted, American accent is accepted. The most important thing is that you pronounce correctly. That's a very, very, very important issue. Now, in order to follow all these and in order to speak fluently and to use proper structures, you need to give lots of examples while talking. Also, you need to show your feelings about different issues and state your opinion clearly. Do not consider or think like saying, well, no, my opinion wouldn't be great, or my opinion is something that many people disagree about, so I can't say it. There is no task response. The most important thing is that you speak in English so you can state your opinion clearly without caring whether the examiner would like it or not. Of course, without any offense, okay? But the most important thing is that you state your opinion no matter how. Just state it, say it clearly, and everything will be all right after that. Also, another important way to stretch your answer is by contrasting ideas, showing one point and its opposite. This would be a great way to expand and extend your answer for a long time. All these ways are explained in addition to others, inshallah, in the English speaking course that you'll have with us on Sarah's IELTS page. You've been talking, Menna, and saying in this course, in this course, in this course. So what's the course content? What's the course about? The course has 8 sessions. Okay, first of all, you have to know that there are only 5 students as maximum in the course. Maximum 5 students. Okay, and which means that they could be less, but generally we have it for 5 students. Okay, and those 5 students have group sessions or 8 live sessions. Okay, in which you learn about part 1, 2, and 3 topics with their answers. Also, you get to know some essential grammatical lessons, vital vocabulary suitable for IELTS, tips and tricks and hacks for each section, and that's the most important part. In addition to 2 private classes that you have separately, okay, in which you have mock test. I consider myself as the examiner, and I test you, and then I give you a feedback by the end concerning all the points covered, whether they are positive or negative. Okay? Now, it's time for you to ask questions, and I'm here to answer